You're for Michael. Okay, so obviously can't show you the screen recorder because I'm busy using it now to record the screen. But yeah, so obviously the Mac can screen record. Up here you see the little stop buttons. I've started the screen recording. It's all built into Quicktime. So you can just go Quicktime, new screen recording. And what you wanted to do, let me just turn off scrubbing because that's going to be a noise. That's snapping. Which one is scrubbing? Alt-S? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so no scrubbing. Okay, so I push play, and now it's screen recording the demonstration and the video, right? You can use the screen recorder to actually select a portion of the screen, so you don't have to record the entire interface and you don't have to go full screen. I know you're using Premiere, but if you were using Final Cut, and there'll be a tool in Premiere as well. If you go to range selection, and let's say I select that selection, if I now export, share master file, it will only export that range that I've selected, which is what you want to do. But okay, let's not do it that way because I know you're working in Premiere. So wait, actually let's just do one little bit and then I'll show you the way that you're going to be doing it. So master file, let's pop this on the desktop quickly. Next, desktop test. Okay, surrender that out, shouldn't take too long. Yeah, okay, there you go. All right, so here's our video file. Okay, I'm just going to close down Final Cut. Go to desktop. Okay, so under films here, I've got my test video. Just going to put it back to smaller size so we can work with it. Okay, so here's the thing. Now you want to take, let's say this is a 1 hour long clip and you want to cut it up into segments to send to your client. You go Edit, Trim, Command T, opens up a trim timeline, and now you have your insert and your in and out points. Let's say we only want to export that portion there. We go trim. None of this is permanent. It's non-destructive. And then we go file. Come on, don't go through the recents list, you baloney. File, save. And let's say this was the part where the bananas happened. Okay, we go save. And now that is saved, just that segment, as a separate file. This is now, see how short it is? Okay. So yeah, and then it never touches the original file. Still non-destructive. I can go back into trim and I can choose another selection, go file, save as. Close anyway, blah, blah, blah. Okay, dude, so that's it. I still think you should be working with Final Cut, but if you're going to do it in Premiere, yeah, render out and then use Apple QuickTime trim function to get your mini clips. Have a nice day.